Welcome to the Gimbal Games. We're going to be here a while. It'll be off in a jiffy.
Hello, I am Luke,
And I'm Sean.
and today we are having a head-to-head of best gimbal skills. It's a big day. Who's the nimblest with their gimbalist?
Yep,
Who's the gimbly nimbly?
yep. Should we get on with it then?
So here is how today is going to work. There's going to be a potential 100 points in the scoring system. So it's first to 100. Behind me, we're going to begin with the setting up of the gimbal. Who can balance their gimbal first? Getting through that is 10 points. Then we make our way over here. Bear in mind, Sean's going to have his gimbal. I'm going to have my gimbal. We'll each do it once at a time. And then you reach this. And you've got to get into the bag.
Single-handedly, because
God, I mean, I can't even do it without a gimbal. So this is going to end really badly for me. But I will give it my best.
these are meant for toddlers.
Oh, crying out loud! Right, and then you've got to make your way over to. Speed this up in post, I suppose. And you get out of the bag without falling over. Now that was 10 points. If you can manage that with gimbal intact. Next is football. Round the cones. Cone 1, 5 points. Cone 2, 5 points. Cone 3, 5 points. Cone 4, 5 points. A total potential of 20 points there. Then scoring a goal. Score the goal, 10 points. Down. And we make our way over here to the toxic obstacle course.
Yeah.
That's where I keep all my toxic masculinity. Now, we head in, shoes off first, through the obstacle course. Now, the goal with this part is we want the stablest, straight, narrow footage going all the way down, following it along straight as we can. It is mental in there. It's very difficult. But if you do it, 10 points. The final two variables are whoever has the fastest time gets 20 points, and whoever has the stablest footage gets 20 points. Total 100. Let's see who's the best. This is the equipment that we're working with today. I have the Zion Crane 4, which is a gimbal that I use quite regularly and I like very much. Sean, what are you working with over there, mate?
I've got a Ronin SC2.
Used it before?
Nope.
So obviously the first bit of the test, the obstacle course, is to set up a gimbal. Very important part of this. Many people get this wrong, and it's got to be done right. It's got to be done well, and you know, whoever does it faster is the better man. Let's face it. But what we're going to do is sabotage each other's gimbals to begin with, because like if I just took the camera off right there, it's already kind of set up. So we're going to swap over and let the mash up begin.
Smooth, the way that you look in your eye. Ooh, started off with one and
Ready. Right, time to get the tripod legs on. We're not going to rush this, guys. That looks about right. Let's check this. This is how you balance the middle of the bottom leg. People neglect this leg quite a lot. Ready to go. Okay. We're going, we're recording, we're ready, we're going in the bag. Okay, so watch for my footage. Steady footage, steady footage, steady footage. Oh, core strength, core strength. Okay, now we're out of the bag, we're out of the bag. Football. Da, 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 da. Okay, okay. Oh, back up here. Let's see if we can score. Can we score? And football and shot. Brownie points. Ah! He scores. He scores and the crowd goes wild. And we're in. Shoes off. Just exposure. Come on, Zion Crane 4. Come on, Zion Crane 4. Okay, how steady can we keep this? How steady can we be? I don't think I did too badly. Right, Sean, let's see what you got.
Here we go. I'm gonna start with my little tripod so I can stand this baby up. Standing up, this is a standing job. Stand-up comedy, yep, that's me. It's my day-to-day. Where's the, you see, I've never used this before, so where is the little thing? It's there. Okay, I'm mostly a handheld shooter, so don't judge too harshly. Ooh. Beggars can't be choosers, and we're on a tight budget, so now I'm gonna unlock the next one. Okay, it's under here, little sneaky boy. Loose as a goose, lovely. Where are you? Hello? Milford? Milford? No, cut that out. It just stays where it is. That way, that way. Maybe I'm doing this all wrong. Maybe I ought to cut my losses and just see if it works. Stop laughing at me! How are we doing? You know what? I'm dreadful, but that's not bad. Right, so we're gonna run into record, and we are recording, here we go. Still, steady, steady, steady. Here is the bag. Get one foot in the bag and the other foot in the bag. Multitasking, not my strong point. Here we go! Not too bad. Come on, Ronan. Come on, Ronan. Good. Okay. Get out of here. And there's the ball. Making a bit of a movie out of this one. Okay, so here we go. Eyes on the prize. Eyes on the prize. Eyes on the prize. Eyes on the prize. Oh God, okay, good, good, good. This way, please. Thank you, Ronan. Good, good, good. Not that way, ball. Here we go. Yep, that way. We're going forwards. We're going in. Okay, and then, ah! It's in! It's in! The shoes are coming off. Wet socks, you gotta love the wet socks. And then, in. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. Here we go. Oh God. Oh, this is the worst. Oh God, this is the worst. This is the worst. Oh. Oh, I touched the mic, I'm sorry. Facing, forwarding. Ah, there's a dog. I can't get up. Never had this problem before in my life. Hi, Jim. Hey, buddy. We did it. Don't eat me.
And what is the verdict? Drum roll, please. And the score is... Yay! Hard luck, mate. Hard luck. Look.
Look, it's nothing to do with it.
Even heroes fail. Even heroes fail.
Well,
it's okay.
I am a hero. Yeah. I'm a hero.
Oh, we were all expecting me to win, but let's talk about the gimbals instead, because I just want to spare his feelings.
Don't touch.
Very interesting competition there.
Very
That was
interesting results.
The
as well.
brainchild of our head of content. Thank you very much, Tiffany, for that. So, how, as someone who doesn't actually typically use a gimbal, Sean, how did you find that?
As someone who's mainly a handheld shooter, I found that going to the Ronin SC2, it was fairly seamless because it's so lightweight, and I felt that it was really easy to balance, and the motors in here kind of do a lot of the heavy lifting for you if you're not that adept at balancing. So, you know, that was my first time balancing for this video, for this gimbal, and so I just, felt at home with it.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah, I in terms of which I think is the better gimbal, it's really hard to say, because they're actually, if you look at them side by side, they're super similar.
Yeah.
In their, their
grips,
form factor and how they look, and I think they're similar in weight as well. The thing I think I favour about the DJI Ronin is that it folds in half. So for getting that into your bag is amazing. with this, you can't fold it, and it's I like to have this big handle on it so I can go very low. So it does take up quite a lot of space. Luckily, I've got a big bag, but that is super convenient, isn't it?
Yeah, very portable, and yeah, I just didn't have any trouble with it.
But then again, out of the two, I would say that this is the more kind of robust and stable. It's the it's the brand new Crane 4, so it's the technology is really sound. But both really good gimbals. Obviously, you'll have a look at the footage. You'll be able to see side by side how you think each did. But I think that was a pretty good test. I think everybody should test gimbals like that, don't you?
Yeah.
So that's been us. I've been Luke.
I've been Sean.
Thank you very much for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.
The way that you look in your eye. Ooh, started off with one, then had a few. Your lips, they taste like